In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autopay on eBay. If you're a seller who wants to stop automatic payment-related rules from taking over checkout on your listings, this walkthrough is for you. We'll do this on the desktop site, and you should be signed into the account you use to sell so you can reach the Seller Hub. Start on the eBay homepage. At the very top, hover your mouse over My eBay. Don't click yet, just hover, so the quick menu opens. From that menu, click Selling. This takes you to the Seller Hub, the main dashboard for managing listings, orders, and account settings. Inside the Seller Hub overview, scroll down until you see the section called Shortcuts. It's a compact panel with handy links that jump you straight into specific settings. In Shortcuts, select Block Bidders. Even though the link mentions bidders, it opens the buyer management area where you control automated buyer rules that can trigger payment and checkout requirements. On the Buyer Rules page, you'll see options that automatically enforce how buyers interact with your listings. These are convenience features, but they can also create autopay style behavior during checkout. To disable that automation, look for the list of rule options. Uncheck all the boxes. Clearing these check marks turns off those automatic requirements, so buyers won't be forced through preset payment restrictions by default. Review the list as you go. If there are protections you still want, you can always return later and re-enable only what you need. When you're finished, click Save Changes. Wait for the brief confirmation on the page to ensure your updates were applied. If it takes a moment, let the page finish saving before leaving. And that's it. By navigating through My eBay, opening selling, using the Shortcuts panel, and heading to Block Bidders, you reached the Buyer Rules page and turned off the automated buyer requirements that can lead to autopay style checkout. If your selling needs change, come back to this same page and selectively recheck the options that support your workflow. Keep in mind that eBay occasionally updates labels and layout, but this path remains a reliable way to find these settings on the Seller Hub.